Now let's read this word problem without the numbers. Sarah had stickers. Visualize it. Okay. She used some stickers. Visualize it. What happened to them? She used them maybe in a book or a notebook, but they're gone. How many stickers does she have now? Now, we know she started out with some stickers, which is the whole amount that she has. So we draw our number bond to represent this information. Now, some of those stickers are gone. So 116, that part is gone. Now, do we know the part that's left? Well, no. But we're going to find out, because if we have a part that's missing, boys and girls, what do? You're like, well, when I have both parts, I add to find the whole. But when you have a part that's missing, we do the opposite of adding, and that's subtracting. Okay, so you're right, boys and girls. Let's go ahead, and now we're ready to do our subtraction, and we know it's 254, our whole, and from that whole, we're going to take that part away of 116 to find that part that is missing. That part here is missing. Okay, now, next thing we always think is, hey, let me draw my base 10 blocks to show what's going on. And we only draw the whole, the amount that we know we have. 1, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds do we have in 254? Well, we have 200. How many tens? Okay, 5 tens. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we have to have our hundreds and tens and ones nice and neat and organized like a mathematician would. So now we have 4 ones. Okay. Now, next thing I would like to do is to show our place value chart also on our numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. And now we're ready to get our work. Okay, now, step 1. What do we do, boys and girls? Subtract the ones. Well, you're right. We subtract the ones place. And make sure you're thinking that we have 4 ones. Here are my 4 ones. And here are my 4 ones again. Now I have 4 ones. And remember the triangle. 4 ones. We're going to take away 6 ones. Can I take away 6 ones? Boys and girls. Well, no. Do we have enough to take away 6 ones? No. So what would we do? What can we do to solve this? What would be the step that helps us figure this out? You're like, okay, well, let's go ahead and regroup and get a 10 from the tens place. So we're going to go over, bring it over. Now, can I draw a 10 here? No, we can't draw a 10. We'd have to break it apart and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 more gives us those 10. And now we have 14 ones. And since I drew it on my place value chart, I'm going to draw it over here too. I have 14 ones. How many tens do I have now? 4 tens. Okay. Now, since I did it on my place value chart, I also did it in my number sentence. Okay. Now, so now we have 14 ones. And I take away those 6 ones. Can we do it now? Well, let's take a look at it. Look, we have 14 ones. Can I take away 6 ones? You're like, oh, 14 ones. That's a lot. I can take away 6. Well, okay, well, let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and take those 6 ones away. So let me take out 6, and we know this is 5. And one more 6, so I take out those 6, and now we have 4 on top, and we have these 4 here, and these other 4, and it helps us remember that that's 8. Okay, so 8 ones are left. Okay, so I'm going to write it up here on my number sentence, and I'm going to write it down here. Okay, under my place value chart. Now let's go to step 2. Boys and girls, what's our second step? Oh, do you mean subtract the 10s? Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract the 10s. And now we have 4 10s and 4 10s, and we're going to take away, remember that triangle, 1 10. Here's our 4 10s. Do we have enough to take away 1 10 away? Yes, we have enough to take 1 10 away. Let's go ahead and do that. Take away that 1 10. That's gone. Now, how many 10s were left over? Well, let's see. 2 and 1 more is 3, so we have 3 10s were left. And we'll write that on there. Okay. Now, so we have 3 10s left over. Now we're going to go on our next step. Step 3. And step 3, we have to subtract now what place, children? Well, the hundreds, you're right. So subtract the 10, sorry guys, subtract the hundreds. Okay, now, so now we have, let's look at it. We have 200 here, we have 200 here. Remember the triangle, we're going to take away 100. Whenever you see that minus, we say take away, and we start at the top. 200, take away 100. Saba's going to write that. 200s, just like that. Don't have room. Minus 100. And it leaves us with 100. 100 here, 100 here. Now, so now we see, boys and girls, that how many stickers does she have now? Okay. She now has stickers. Now, so now we see that she has 138 stickers left. Thank you, and enjoy and subscribe.